Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you that beautiful stitch. It's so easy stitch. It's like kind of knitting. You can use that stitch with your blankets or cardigans. Any of projects you can use. I want to make with that a beanie, and I want to make a big rib part and use it with double folded or use it only one type and use that beanie slushy. Put a pom-pom. If you don't want it, you don't use that pom-pom. You can see that stitch. I like it very much. It's so simple. You can do it easily. I give all the details in the video. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and thanks for your subscribing to my channel. It's so important to me. Thanks for your support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful stitch beanie. I don't remember my yarn's label, but it's 100 grams. One ball is 230 meters. I found my notes and I wrote like that, but the name is complicated and I want to use with that yarn 4mm hook. Okay, first of all we will start a magic ring. Yarn over, insert in that hole and chain 3. That's count as a double crochet and make in that hole 15 more. 2, 3, 4, insert in that, pull through 2, pull through 2, 5. I made 16 double crochet and pull this yarn tightly and close the hole. Insert the first chain 3's top, grab that 2 yarns together and not opening that hole again for this technique, and chain 3, then count as a double crochet like that. We start our beanie from the top. This is our first double crochet and we will make here one more. We will make every stitch 2 double crochet. Increase that circle as usual. We made that second round 2 double in one stitch. At the end of that round we have 32 double crochet. I finished that and turn to you. I finished my 32 double crochet. Insert into the first double and join with a slip stitch. That third round chain 3 and count as a double crochet. We will make 1 double crochet in one stitch, 2 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 and 2 together. Now make 1, now make here 2, make here 1 and make here 2. At the end of that third round we have 48 double crochet. I finished that and turn to you. Finish that round and join with a slip stitch with the first chain 3. Now we are on the round 4. Chain 3, count as a double crochet. That round we will make 1 double in one stitch, 1 double into the next stitch and 2 double into the next stitch. 1, 1 and 2. At the end of that round 1, 1 and here 2. At the end of that round we have 64 double crochet. I finish that and turn to you. I finished that fourth round and join with a slip stitch. Now if you made this beanie for the child, 64 double crochet is enough for you, but we will make it for an adult, so we will make one more round. chain 3 in the 5th round, count as a double crochet. In that round we will make 1 double in 1 stitch, next stitch make 1 double, next stitch 1 double, and into the 4th stitch make 2 double, 1, make 1 double, next 1 double, next 1 double. So we will make 3 single. Before round make 2 single, 1 double. Now 3 single, 1 double we made. At the end of this round 5 we have 80 double crochet. I finish that and turn to you, start the pattern. We made 80 double crochet at the end of that round 5 and join with a slip stitch. Now we start to make our pattern. Leave that loop like that. Insert your hook that behind double crochet like that, front to back, then front, and take this loop like here and chain 3. Count as a, this is our first front post double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook back to front, then back, grab the yarn and pull through to, yarn over, insert your hook front to back, then front, grab the yarn and pull through to, this is front post. Yarn over, insert your hook back to front, then back, grab the yarn, pull through to, yarn over, insert your hook front to back, then front, pull through to. So we will make 1 front post, 1 back post. It's that pattern, always like that. Now we will make back post, make front post. Finish that round and turn to you. I come at the end of that round and make last stitch back post and join with a slip stitch that first chain 3's top. We finished our first round, 1 front post, 1 back post. That's the second round. Lose that loop again. That time insert your hook back to front, then back, and take this loop back side. Okay, chain 3 and count as a back post double crochet. Now we will make back post on the front post on the back post. You remember our second stitch is back post, but this time we will make a front post. In previous row this is front post, we will make on it back post. Previous row that's back post, now we will make on it front post. Previous row that front post, we will make on it back post. Previous row back post, we will make front post. So this time we will make 1 back post, 1 front post. In that round like that, and you will repeat that 2 rounds always. You will make front post on the back post on the front post. Always is the same. You will make the opposite stitch on previous row. I will growing up my Beanie. After I will tell you how many rows I crocheted and how much centimeter is it. I will turn to you a few seconds more. I repeat that 2 row and I crocheted totally 18 centimeter, and I want to give you that tops measurement. Okay, that circle is from that the first 12 centimeter. Okay, now we make here a rib part, but I don't want to make that rib part with that color. Chain one, and I want to cut my yarn. And take the same quality but colorful type of yarn. And I change my hook. I take the 3mm hook. Insert into the same stitch, grab the yarn, chain one, and lose that loop. Again take this loop like that and chain 3. Count as a double crochet, a front post double crochet. Then make next to do a back post. Then make front post, back post, front post, back post. I will repeat that until at the end of that round. One front post, one back post. We start to make our rib part. Okay, I finished that round and turn to you. I finished that first round. Make the last back post and insert into our first front post double crochet and join with a slip stitch. Now we will keep crocheting as same. We will put front post on front post, put back post on back post. Again lose that loop, insert that front post and take this loop and chain 3 and make a front post double crochet, then make a back post, then make a front post. I will crochet like that couple rows. I finished that brim part. After tell you how many rows I crocheted. I finished that and turn to you. I finished my brim part. I made it long because I want to use it double folded like that. I crochet 10 rows, but if it's not enough for you, you can crochet 2 more or 3 more rows. I want to give you measurement. It's 7 centimeter. You can finish it nearly 10 centimeter. Okay, I want to show you immediately. After that I made a pom-pom for it. I put it here. I tie like that because if I don't want to use with pom-pom, I can put off it easily, take off it easily. Okay, if I want to use with them, I will sew that. Hope you like this tutorial. It's so easy and I think so beautiful stitch we have. You can make it easily. If you have any questions, please leave me comments and don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your support and thanks for your watching. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook and on Pinterest as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.